Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can apply this curtain video transition in CapCut PC. So I'm just going to select a video from the CapCut stock video, and I'll just scroll down until I find the curtain video under green screen. Well, I can't, sorry, extend the duration, but I'm just going to scroll here. I'm going to select this video, go to cutout, select chroma key, select this color picker and select green. I'm actually just going to go back a little bit so I can kind of see the green. Just going to adjust the strength just a little bit. I can even go to adjustments here and I can adjust the the temperature and the hue of the video a little bit to hopefully match the video behind. I think I'll just go with that. And for the ending, I'm going to select the same video. I'm just going to right click, copy attributes. Then on this one, right click, paste attributes, and just press paste so that you don't have to do it again. But yeah, that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!